Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today. But before we jump in, if you're interested in a new way to make money, all right, there is an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my accounts, one of my several accounts where I made over $130,000 in the past year. And in some months, I was able to make over $20,000 in a single month. This month, I made $37,000. So if you wanna learn how to do this, I set up a link below where you guys can learn how to do it. You don't need experience, you don't need a following. It's the best way to make money right now. So click the link below to get started. And now let's get started with the video. All right, here is how to hack the surge pricing when you're driving Uber. Here's tips for surging. Here's why you should never chase surges and what to do instead. This is a big warning, guys.
Yeah, don't chase the surge, guys.
Rule number one of being a driver. Here you go.
So this person said that they were chasing a surge. There was like a 3x surge rider. Anyways, they said it was a bad idea to go try to find another surge because they missed the surge and wasted 30 minutes stuck in traffic all out.
Oh my God. They fucking drove 30 minutes to get to a goddamn surge and then it was gone by the time they got there. This is why driving for Uber sucks.
Yeah.
You're trying to make money, but you end up spending and wasting all your time, and then it's finally gone. Sorry, so they ended up going to a different surge?
No, they just, like, a new surge appeared in the area that they had just left.
Oh my God.
So if they stayed in that area instead of trying to go find the next surge, they would have gotten another surge.
That is fucking ridiculous.
Yeah. So basically they're not worth it and you should just do whatever. Like just drive. Like don't try to find the stuff.
For real. If I offered you 50% discount on your steak dinner tonight, if you wait 10 minutes, would you do it? Yep, you would in a heartbeat. Riders are the exact same way. If they can just wait 10 minutes for a cheap ride, they will wait out the surge. This means while you and 50 other drivers are heading to an area, riders will actually stop requesting rides. I've sat right in the middle of surges downtown for 15-20 minutes and never received a call. I used to chase surges. So sometimes you're even in the middle of a surge and you just don't even get one of the calls. So you're like driving for just a possibility to get a ride, basically.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So basically what you want to do is just avoid it at all costs, my friends. And brave the bars. Or one hack you can do, and this is what, Greg on the channel, he used to do this to get $75 an hour. He would basically hack the surge, where basically you hang out like right outside the surge, and then I guess if you get a pickup and then you go through the surge, you like pick up the surge.
Oh.
But like he was like, don't get off. Like let's say if there's like a concert. He was like, just drive over a freeway that goes through it, but like don't get off the freeway.
Oh.
And that way you can avoid the traffic but still pick up the surge.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, he actually said he was gonna like make a movie called Surge Chasers. Because he's like an actor.
Oh. Is he still living off the grid?
Oh, no, he lives in Florida now.
Oh, okay.